Mmm. Is that good? Mmm. It's hard to talk with your mouth full, eh? That's good? Is that good? Mmm.
Didn't have to ask him twice.
Yeah. Let me over here.
Yeah, can I clean your bars so that doesn't dry on?
Hi. Hi. What's that like, Charlie? Hey?
Do you like that?
Charlie too. Mmm. Banana.
You like banana?
Banana. Hey? Banana. Mmm. Is that good cookie? Is that good cookie? Yeah. Mmm. Is it good? Hard to eat? Hey? Trying to talk and my mouth is all full. Mmm. Good? Mm-hmm. That's good. Okay, well guys. Yeah, good. You've got angels on your shoulders. You landed in a great place. Yeah? You're gonna save that for later?
Yeah, we'll go get you some bowls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
We'll
yeah.
make you some toys. I won't give you stuff that's from our birds. We'll make new ones.
I'll